Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature in HubSpot. If you find this helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe before we get started. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to your HubSpot dashboard where you can customize various settings, including your email signature. After you've successfully logged in and you're on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon or picture there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings and preferences. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Profile and Preferences. This option takes you to a dedicated area where you can manage all your personal account settings from notification preferences to email configurations. It's essentially your control center for customizing how HubSpot works for you. Once you're in the Profile and Preferences section, look at the top navigation area. You'll see several tabs or options there. Click on the one labeled Email. This section is specifically designed for managing everything related to your email settings within HubSpot, including signatures, templates, and sending preferences. It's where you'll find all the tools you need to personalize your outgoing messages. Now, within the email settings area, you'll see an option that says Manage Email Signatures. Click on this option to access the signature editor. This is the tool that allows you to create, edit, and customize the signature that will automatically appear at the bottom of your emails sent through HubSpot. It's a professional way to ensure every message includes your contact information and branding. At this point, you'll see a text field where you can input your email signature. Go ahead and type in whatever information you want to include, such as your name, job title, phone number, or company details. You can format the text to match your style preferences. Additionally, if you want to make your signature more professional or branded, you have the option to add an image. This could be your company logo, a headshot, or any other visual element that enhances your signature. Just click on the image icon within the editor and upload the file you want to use. Once you've finished creating your email signature and you're satisfied with how it looks, click the Save button. This will store your signature in HubSpot's system, making it available for use in all your outgoing emails. The signature will now automatically appear at the bottom of your messages, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your communications. And that's it. You've successfully added an email signature in HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.